first thing we want to do is identify a few parts on the rabbit. So one, right back here, you have the front legs, but you can pinch right behind the shoulder blade. Okay? So we get in right behind the shoulder blade, and we remove the front leg.
In this life that I live, I'm perfect in all I do. I'm aligned, yeah, to His word. I am complete in Him. Say, I'm fulfilling, I'm producing.
Hi guys, it's that time of the week again when I get to go out and go to school. You know, it feels like when you have been locked up in the house and then you just get one free day. Yeah, that's how it feels. Anyway guys, I'm going to school. I think it's like 7:30 a.m. right now. It's not too bright yet, so I'm just walking in. It's so cold. I was gonna say chilly, but nah, this is not chilly. This is cold. You see, look. Yeah, it's cold. Anyway guys, so when I get inside, I'm almost to the building. When I get inside, then I will check back with you. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be cooking rabbit. I mean, I don't know if I've ever eaten rabbit. I think I've eaten it when I was younger. Maybe when I was 10, 12. Not sure, but I think I've eaten it one time. I don't remember how it tastes, so that would be a fun little experiment for me. So while I'm in class with this rabbit, I'm gonna just record a couple clips. Yeah. So I have 10 minutes left. I have 10 minutes left for my class. Ooh, the light in here is so nice. Anyway, so I have 10 minutes until my class starts. I don't want to be late. Anyway, I don't want to be late because if I'm late, I'm gonna lose marks. So let me go quickly put my necktie on and my shoe, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so 5 minutes to class. 5 minutes to class and I'm almost there. I didn't really tie my necktie so wonderful, but when I get to class, I will fix it. My hat is not straight. I'm running a bit late, so I have to, when I get to class, I can fix these. It's just that I have to be there, because if I'm late, how much is that? Like 10 points? 10 points off? Bruh, I've never been late, so I don't even know how much they take off when you're late. Guys, I'm a good student, you know. I'm a very good student. You can ask any of my chefs. And furthermore, my GPA will tell you that. Alright? Yeah, anyway. So the next class, just a past one class. And I'm going to my class now. So guys, I'll try to record as much as I can for this video. All right. Good morning, Chef.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing great. Gotta wash your hands.
Take apart. You wouldn't even know. You know what I mean? Add the mushrooms. Basically the saddle, right? So when people refer to the saddle, you imagine where you would ride that animal. If you were sitting on it and riding it around. This is a very little animal, you wouldn't be able to ride it around so much, right? But this is always the saddle portion that they're referring to, and it's always the best part. Typically it's the loins, it's the tenderloins, it's the strip loins, that type of thing. So first thing we want to do is identify a few parts on the rabbit. So one, right back here you have the front legs, but you can pinch right behind the shoulder blade. Okay, so we get in right behind the shoulder blade and we remove the front leg. The other person can continue doing what they're doing.
Okay, so I got my rabbit. Time for me to debone this. All right, let's see what's gonna happen.
I would think, we're not going to do that today for about 45 minutes. Get them nice and brown. I cut mine up, but after I blanch them, I cut. Anyway, that's okay. Okay, let's go, guys.
Alright, so I just finished the first round. So the rabbit is in the fridge. So we're moving on to round 2 now.
We're going to place our filling in. Over top. Not too thick, not too thin.
Alright, so we're moving forward. So I'm just gonna grind up the rabbit legs. Put this back in the fridge. And then I'm gonna grind it with some mushroom. we're moving on to the next stage. Yeah, because I'm not gonna waste that. And that's why I asked him if it's expensive.
Just to get the consistency I want, and away you go.
These look so nice though. Oh, nice and golden. It's even over. It should be. Oh.
There's a few well, it's too far. So I take some things to eat and that's the best.
You want me to pan sear it again to get the color?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Good donut. Yeah, what kind of dish?
Guys, I'm always eating and I just get caught by chef. I just fried some potatoes.
Seems a little bit,
I was so hungry.
sauce with good track. Turn it up or no? No problem. Inside? Maybe go ball in the oven like that. You want to sear it anyway?
Hi guys. Whoa, I love this lighting. It's so nice. My class is over. See, I got my stuff. I have some ice here. I need to get some water. This class was wonderful. The rabbit, oh my gosh, the rabbit tastes good. Yeah guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because really it was kind of hard because I had to concentrate on what I'm doing plus recording, but it was a good class. Yeah, everything was good. I don't really have anything else to say. Just hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so I'm about to go and change my clothes and end off this video and leave, you know. So guys, I'm about to go to my locker now to get my clothes and change. First, let me put this down because really I need some water, man. Oh Lord. Wow, I never taste water sweet so yet. This is where I'm getting the water from. For how? How much cup of water me drink? About 6? I'm gonna fill up my belly now because I'm gonna eat the food there right now. I'm gonna sit and have my lunch because I'm hungry. Alright guys, so my class is over and I'm going to eat this food and then change and leave to go home. But I'm so hungry, I cannot wait until I get home, so I'm just gonna eat this food right now since it's still warm. Let me show you what's going on. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this and thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.